Simple hamburger helper. 2 cups of water, 3 cups of milk. Meat right here. There you go. This out in here. This right there. And then these that we need. Ja, hands. Ooh, this one isn't half all the way. This one right here, this one. Get it again. Yeah, they should. Bingo. Stuck.
I lost already. Where I came in
The front door that way. That way.
Man.
You got stuff in the car still? There you go. Oh, smoking sick. You come out to the back door. Yeah.
That's right.
There's a... Where'd I put that? There's a lawn chair in that shed. This is a fold-out chair. Yeah. I'll be smoking cigarettes too.
Really, yeah, your mom told her, you can't smoke in the house.
You can't smoke in the house. I'll be smoking in the bathroom. Keep it in.
But see, that's your bathroom.
With the... Hey, this one got the vent on it, so I ain't even too worried about it. And I'll be taking a steam shower and it'll be like...
Yeah, but you know, Patrick, like I told your mom, you're grown now. And you gotta let go of
She still be trying to treat me like a kid.
Yeah, I told her, I said, you gotta let go of that leash a little bit because this thing guy, he not in the streets or nothing like that. And she was like, Mama, you just don't understand. No, Patrick, she still looks at you as a little boy.
I know.
And I told her, I said, you can't do that. You gotta let him go. I thought he was cooking you, and she said, I told him to go get a cook job. Well, you can't force somebody to come in if you don't want to be a cook.
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
I told him, you gotta have your own path of life, which way.
I mean, I know a lot of stuff, but it's just like, what do I choose?
You didn't, Patrick, just pray about it.
Right.
Talk to God about it. You was raised in church, you know. You know, just talk to God about it. God will tell
I guess that's why I'd be feeling like, I don't know, just everything's extraterrestrial to me.
Yeah, well, I mean, we'll get back on track. Every one of us has our downfalls. Every one of us slip. You know, backslides. You know, no.
Right?
Your mama got so much.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh my God.
Then she was taking his stuff.
For the dude stuff.
Yeah. Like, half of that stuff ain't even. Them tables ain't hers. She was just taking everything.
You know how your mama is.
Mm,
You know how your mama is.
so do.
I mean, I'm glad she got out of the position with him, though.
I told her not to do it in the first place because I could feel something was gonna happen. And guess what?
It happened. It happened.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have a girlfriend no more?
Nah. And a fuck, buddy. Yeah, that was about it. That's all she was gonna be.
Really?
Mhm.
You talk like that?
Mm-mm.
She said,
Mm-mm.
Oh, wow.
You gotta be as. I'm so high maintenance over myself, it ain't even funny.
For real?
Yeah. You look at my room, it's just.
I'm not gonna get your room. You got some dogs.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Them
say,
dogs be like,
yeah.
ah. There's some food to eat.
Yeah, I froze it too, so. Keep them busy.
So how big are your dogs? Are they real big, Patrick?
One's about up to here. I ain't even gotta move. The other one's like right here to my knee.
Do they get
The
along
other one's
with
right
each
here. Oh, yeah.
That's good.
All females.
That's good.
Yep.
That's good.
Thinking about
Oh, got them
keeping.
big old monstrosity dogs.
Yeah, her dog got a parasite.
Does she?
And I told her what to get, exactly what to get. And you gotta dunk them underwater all the way for 5 seconds to get that stuff in his body. And, yeah.
Patrick, you are so smart. Why don't you go back to college?
Back to college? I never went
Or
to
go
college.
Go back to school. I mean to say not college, but back to school. Have
Well-
you ever thought about going back to school?
Yeah, yeah. Ooh.
You are so smart. Just to hear you talk, you're intelligent. You're intelligent.
And well, I gotta be around intelligent people so I can actually talk intelligently. That's what I'm saying. She'd be looking at me like a kid, so I'll be talking to her like I'm a kid.
Yeah, but your mom has to kind of let go of that leash. Because as long as she holds on tight to it.
Then when we came down here, oh, he knows what he's doing with his loans. I've never had a loan in my life.
Whoa.
And now I'm stuck with paying loans. I ain't even
Loans for what?
that car, and then a couple other ones. What the kids doing?
Oh, that's your car?
Yeah, that's my car. Dang, this crack! I ain't even noticed it. They up on that roof. They need to get off that roof.
So that's your car.
Yeah, that's one of them.
That's a nice car.
Yeah, when they want to run, right?
Which one?
Transmission.
Oh my God.
I mean,